Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone if it's stuck on a black screen or on Apple logo. So there you can see the phone is stuck on a black screen, but when you connect it with your PC, you can see that the device is in the DFU mode. Let me just show you. So guys, there you can see the phone is in DFU mode, but it's not turning on and the screen is totally black. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix this. So now all you have to do is hold both of the volume keys with the power button and also hold the home key on your iPhone. If your phone doesn't have a home key, just hold both of the volume keys with the power button and keep holding them and wait for 20 seconds, and there you can see it's in recovery mode now. Just do the same process again. And that's it guys, so that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.